So, hey everyone, it's Char from Char's Fashion Nation. I didn't do a full cooking video, but I want to show you. This is a pot of sliced potatoes, sliced mushrooms, yes, they're canned, and some broccoli. Steve got that. With some garlic and some balsamic glaze. And then I put some sriracha in here. That's right, I said sriracha. And right here in the oven, I have flipped the salmon over. And I am now just letting the fish skin crisp up. Don't throw away your fish skin. And I'm going to tell you why. When you want your omega-3s, let that crisp up and eat it. That is where you're getting most of your omega-3s from. Now, when I put this in here, I put some butter, garlic, and balsamic glaze. That was it. And then I flipped it just a few minutes ago, put it back in the oven, and as soon as that's done crisping up, dinner will be done. Look at that. Yum. I got an oven glove on, so I'm going to take this out of the oven and plate up dinner. We're using paper plates and plastic forks tonight, y'all. It's Sunday, and I don't feel like doing a lot of dishes. So this is my plate. Now I have two pieces on here because you saw that the other two were bigger than just one of these. So here we are sitting down. I did bring some balsamic glaze out for the fellas if they want some on there. You like that crisp on the fish skin? I always love that.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, that broccoli, right? Remember, if you think that you don't like fish, but you eat fish sticks, you're actually eating fish. Fish fillet is kind of iffy. I don't know on that. And I've worked at McDonald's, so. This though. This is good. If you do it right, your house won't smell like rotten fish or be healthy too. But this is really good. I'm glad I could do a semi-cooking video for you. It wasn't scheduled, but I hadn't done a full video in a while. So anyway, it's dude approved, it's Char approved. The cat, I think he's acting because he wants some salmon, but he's not getting none. Anyway, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. I'm going to eat this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.